Four. Wow. It's so nice.
There is a eraser. This eraser, this eraser, this eraser, this eraser, a brush.
Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. La, 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 la. Big. What is this? What is this?
Why it's made of balloon?
Huh?
Why it's made of balloon?
Yeah, because that's why. Look, it's like this. Now we need the pump.
Where is the pump?
Check the pump in Nana's room.
The pump is broken.
La 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 la. It's bumping, bumping, bumping.
Why?
We try, otherwise Nani will call this one.
110, 111, 12, 106.
12. Maganda utot naman ako nito. Maganda utot naman ako nito. What is this? It's broken? Look. It's broken, Adro. Okay, let's try. But there is broken. They're giving you the broken one. Who give this? It's okay, we can use that to the paper. We can use that to the paper, no need this one. But we need to try. Wait, try first one. This one first. Working actually. I don't know. It's coming with the green one. Ouch. My.
The green one is almost done.
Oh. Oh. Okay. This for the blue one. that hole is not broken. Or the another one. My energy is finished. Come on. What? Okay. I will use my another hand now. Because
Good. Almost done. Almost done.
okay. So what is for this? Here. What? Are you pretending? Actually, hold that to check if working or not.
Working.
Working.
Yeah.
So big.
Hello guys. Let me do something up.
Look.
Yeah.
Working.
Mommy, that's what is open. Mommy, this one is open.
Oh, why you open that? Oh no, the air is blowing out. Close.
How to close it?
Give me.
Wow, it's like a swimming pool.
Yes, coming big.
Yeah. It's come like a mirror now. Nice. Almost done.
Oh. What is that? The air is coming out. Remove the remove the chair, the blue chair. See, it's going out the air. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
It's done.
Done.
It's done. Look.
Done.
Now you can paint. Wow, so nice.
It's like a balloon. Can you feel? Can you open this, Mommy?
Nice. Wow. What is this?
This is the paint.
So nice.
Can you open?
Ang
Can
ganda
you
ng
open this
laruan.
too?
Laruan lang parang swimming pool na. Ano yung bebe? Is color what?
Green.
Sana, good, good.
So nice.
Wow.
Thank you for opening the lollipop.
So,
And
lollipop.
the sweet
So, what?
surprise.
Tonto. Nakatago to sa tagal. Dapat tayo palaruan. Wala, buksan ko nga. Oh, wow. Also, so how to use this? I drew the foam. See? The foam is with painting. Young actors enjoy painting anywhere, even outdoor. This heavy duty will mix a popular
Mommy, can
gathering
you
place
give
for
me
this
water?
party. So nice. But that is no, Drew. But we don't have a box. Ah, paswerte naman. Oh. Wait. I think this already liquid. Look. You need to put little water. What? Little water. And then pinuwisan ako dun ah. Ano bang paggamit ko dun sa na yun. Kaya marami akong ano dito eh. Okay. Ito na lang. Pinawisan ako, grabe. I drew only little water, baby, okay? Then, you try to mix the color. I will take a towel for. Wow. But you need to wear no painting, no slipper.
Thank you.
Wow, so nice. Wear this.
Mommy, I can bring it on G.
G? No. So big. No. So nice. Ang ganda, diba? Pinawisan ako
What
dun, ha?
about outside?
Salamat, guys. Tapos na, ha? Outside. Outside in the balcony only here at Adro. Outside, no. Only you can call to, only you and Hanisha can play. Kulit na naman. Oh, see na. Bye-bye.
Mommy.